Hello, Mighty Health family. My name is Allison Woodward. I'm going to lead you through this joint strengthening exercise program that I have planned for you today. So I'm going to do all the exercises in a chair, making sure that it's sturdy, that when you're seated in it and moving around, it doesn't move, so you're on a surface that keeps you in a stable place. And then I'm going to sit kind of towards the middle of the chair so that I can work on my posture. So I'm going to keep my shoulders up and back. My hands are here to rest if you're more comfortable here. Whatever position, we're going to start with a small little warm-up. So we're going to bring the shoulders up and around, breathing as we go through, up and around. Excellent job. Mighty Health family, we've got a lot of movement to do in this chair. Remember, at any point, if any of these exercises bother your knees or any of your joints, take the range of motion, make it a little bit smaller. And if you're still in pain, then eliminate that exercise altogether. So let's go the opposite direction. Bring the shoulders forward and around. Excellent job. Good. So exaggerate this. Bring those shoulders all the way up. Bring them forward and back around. A few more. Good. And then we're going to start with a small little march. So rest your hands, reset the posture. It's just a right and left march. Just getting warmed up for the exercises that we have for today. Excellent. For 4 and 3, 2. Good. Now make that march wide. Wide march. Good. Excellent. For 4 and 3 and 2. Now bring it back to center. A little march, narrow now. Good. And now we're going to stop those feet, reset the posture, and think about a knee lift. So it's a little lift with the knee. So it's a short warm-up. We're going to go through that first set of exercises. It's about 45 seconds for each exercise. 4 more. Good. And 3. Yes, nice job. Finish it off. 1 more on each side. Excellent job. All right, so release, and let's get that posture again. Sitting up tall. Hands are here for support. We're going to do toe raises. So you're going to lift your toes off the floor and then release them. Emphasize that. Lift the toes off the floor and release. You're going to feel this in the shins. Good. Excellent job. Lift up and release. Lift up and release. Excellent job. Lift up and release. So lift them up high enough that you're feeling this in the front of your legs, your shins. Excellent. Lift up and then release. Good. Stay with it. Let's do about 4 more. And then we're going to switch it up. 3 more. Relax your hands if they're here for support. 2 more. Excellent. 1 more time. And now let's reset that posture again. So sit up tall, and we're going to go the opposite direction. So your feet are about shoulder width apart, and now we're going to lift the heels off the floor. So it's up and release. So it's a heel raise. Excellent job. Lift up and release. Lift up and release. Excellent. Good. Lift up and release. All the way up. Lift those heels as high as you can. Keep that posture in a good, strong position. Shoulders are over top of your hips. Take the shoulders back slightly. Good. Excellent job. Stay with it. Lift it up as high as you can. Good. So now we want to feel this in our calf muscles. Almost there. Let's do 3 more. Excellent. Smiling as we go along. 1 more time. Good. And then release. Let's reset again. So now we're going to do 1 more set of each of those. So we'll do the toe raises first, then the heel lifts. Just make sure you're keeping that posture, relaxing the hands, okay? Sometimes when we go into exercise, we create tension. So relax your toes, relax your hands. And we're going to lift those toes all the way off the floor. So toe raises. Should start to feel this in the top of your quads and in your shins. Lift up and release. Lift up and release. Keeping that posture. Mighty strong in this posture. Mighty strong in this exercise. Keep it going, Mighty Health family. We're almost there. Then we're going to switch it back to that heel raise. So let's do 4 more. Good. And 3. Not fast, slow and controlled. 1 more time. Lift up and release. Excellent job. Again, reset the posture every time. And now we're going to the heel raises. So you're going to come to the balls of your feet and then drop the heels down. Lift them all the way up and release. Excellent. Relax the hands. Heel raises. Lift and release. Excellent. Lift and release. Feeling this in the calves. Good. Lift up as high as you can. Good. Then we're going to alternate 2 times. So we'll do a toe raise and then a heel raise. Excellent. Then you're done that first set of exercises. Looking good. Stay with it. Keep smiling. 4 more. And 3. 2 more. Last one. Excellent. All right, let's go back to resetting that posture every single time. Good. So now we're going to alternate. It's going to be a toe raise and then a heel lift. And so avoid leaning back into this. Make sure you stay upright, keep that posture strong, and focus on just that lower body movement. So here we go. Lift your toes and release the toes down. Lift the heels up. Lift the toes, release them down. Lift the heels. Awesome. Relax your hands. Good, good. Breathing as you go through. Lift and release. Excellent job. Alternating toe raises, heel raises. Excellent. Keep going. Should feel this in the quads, in the calves, and in the shins. Good. Keep that posture. So then you're using your core, stabilizing your body in this position. Good. Let's do 4 more. That's 4. Good. And 3. After 2 more, we're going to reset that posture again. Good. Last time. Lift. And then lower and release. So let's reset the posture again. Sit up tall. Make sure you're in the center of that chair. Good. Keep the feet shoulder width apart. And we're going to alternate again. Toe lift, heel raise. So it's lift your toes, release. Lift your heels. Excellent. Lift your toes and then lift your heels. Excellent job. Toes, heels. So make sure you're going as big of a motion as you can. Obviously, as I said in the beginning, if that bothers any of your joints, then decrease. But if you don't feel any pain, make sure you emphasize you're going slow and controlled. Lift your toes. Excellent. Lower down. Lift your heels. You've got it. Lift your toes. Now lift your heels. We're almost there. 4 more. Good. Slow and controlled. Stay with it. Lift those toes. Lift your heels. Last set. Lift your toes. Lift your heels and release. Set number 2. Set number 2. Let's make sure we have our posture sitting up tall. And we're going to start 45 seconds. We're going to march in place. We're going to start with that right leg and then left leg. And we're just marching in place, focusing on lifting the knees right and left. Ready? And let's begin. It's right, left, right, left. Excellent. Good. So you're lifting that knee to comfort. If it's too much, bring it down. Make the motion a little bit smaller. It's right and left. Yes. Excellent job. Good. You're going to feel this in your hip flexors, which are up by your hips, your quads. Good. Stay relaxed. Try not to push in with the chair. Just lift those legs. Excellent. Good. Stay with me for 4, and 3, and 2. Good, and now release. Reset that posture. And again, every time we come back to this position, make sure chest is open, shoulders are back and down, softly, gently holding on to your chair. Now we're going to go the opposite direction. So it's left, right. Make the march as big as you're comfortable. When you're ready, join me. Your feet are about shoulder width apart. Try not to use your hands into the chair to lift the leg. Use the leg to lift it. Alternating left, right, left, right. Excellent. And now we're really focusing on keeping that core in. Good. You've got it. Lift, lower, lift, lower. Excellent. Stay with me. We're almost there for 8, 7, 6. Keep going. Pull that core in. Keep breathing. Good. 3 more. 2 more. Last set. Good. And release. Good. So reset again. So we're going to go back to that right leg, marching in place. Again, just in place. Feet are shoulder width apart. Posture set. Start with your right leg. So it's right, left. So it's slow and controlled. I'm not trying to march fast. I'm trying to lift that leg up. So we're strengthening the muscles in our leg for any kind of joint pain we may have. This helps eliminate joint pain by getting stronger in the muscles around the joint. So it's right, left, right, left. Yes, use your core to keep you stabilized. Don't use your hands. Lift the thighs straight up. Excellent job. Keep alternating. And left, and right, and left. Good. Give me 4 more. Good. And 3. Slow and controlled. 2 more. Good. 1 more. And release. Good. Reset that posture again. Shoulders go up and back, and it also feels good. Feet are shoulder width apart. And now we're going the opposite direction. So it's left leg, right leg, left, right. Excellent. Left and right. You've got it. Left and right. Excellent. Good. Lift that leg up as high as you can to comfort. No pain in this workout. All just using those muscles, using your core, leg muscles to lift those legs straight up. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yes. Good, good, good. Now bring the feet together and we're going to march narrow and then wide. So it's 1, 2 narrow, 1, 2 wide. 1, 2 narrow, 1, 2 wide. So it's slow and controlled. Yes. Right leg first. It's right, left, right, left. Excellent. Good. So it's narrow, wide. So again, try to use the core and the legs to keep marching. Try not to use your hands into your chair. Yes. So make it narrow, then make it wide. Make it narrow and wide. Good. Narrow, wide. You've got it. Excellent job. 4 more. And 3. 2 more. 1 more. Good. And then bring it back to your narrow. Excellent job. Reset your posture. Start narrow. So it's left, right, out, wide. Bring it in. Take it wide. Bring it in. Take it wide. Yes. So you might feel you're using your outer thigh muscles and your inner thigh muscles to take the leg out and in. Excellent job. Stay with me. Narrow, wide. Good. Narrow, wide. When we're done this set, we're moving on to set number 3. Set number 2 is done. In, then take it out. Good. Bring it in, take it out. Let's do 4 more. Inside, outside. Inside. Yes, let's do 2 more sets. Use your core to keep your posture. 1 more. Excellent job. Bring it back to narrow. Good. Reset for set number 3. Mighty Health family, awesome job. Awesome. So now we are actually going to do a hip abductor exercise. So you're going to lift that right leg up. You're going to take that leg out, bring it back in, and lower it down. So it's lift up, take it out, bring it in, lower down. So it's right and left, working the outer thighs. Excellent job. So we're going to alternate. So lift up, take it out, bring it back to center, lower it down. Lift it up, take it out, bring it back to center, lower it down. Up, out, center, and down. Excellent. Up, out, center, back down. So lift that thigh up, take the leg out, lift it up and lower it back down. Lift, take it out, keep it lifted, and lower back down. Excellent. Lift. It's hard not to use the hands, right? Yes, only take it out as far as you're comfortable, keeping that other leg grounded in. Good. Try to use the leg that you're lifting. So it's up, out, back in, and down. Good. Up, out, back in. Last time. Up, out, back in, and lower down. Reset the posture. In that exercise, we get a little bit of a twist. So try to reset here, shoulders up and back. We're going to start with that left leg. So it's up, out, back to center, and down. It's up, out, back to center. Join me when you're ready. So it's up and out, center, and down. Excellent. Up, out, center, and down. You've got it. Up, out, center, and down. We've got it. Strong, Mighty Health family. Keep it going. You've got it now. It's up, out, back to center, and down. Try not to use the hands. Keep that posture straight up and strong. It's lift, out, back to center, and down. 4 more. Good. 3 more rounds. So lift up, take it out, bring it back to center, and down. Yes, up, out. Good. 2 more. You've got this. Up, out. Last one. It's up, out. Yes, we've got this. And this is it. Good. I might have done an extra. We got extra if we did. Good. So reset your posture. We're on our last exercise in set number 3. And it's lift your right knee, lower. Lift your left knee and lower. Lift your right knee and lower. Lift your left knee. Join me when you're ready. Try not to use your hands. Try to use the strength in your leg muscles to lift up and lower. Lift up and lower. Yes. Yes. Stay with me. We are almost done. Lift and lower. Yes. You've got it. Lift and lower. Feel the thighs working. Keep that posture. Keep that posture. Good. 4 more. That's lift and lower. Yes. 3 more. Excellent. 2 more. Good. Last set. Excellent job. And now reset. Shoulders back. Sit straight up in that chair. Left leg first. Ready? So it's left leg, lower. Right leg, lower. So go to comfort. Wherever you can lift that leg is where you are. It's lift and lower. Lift and lower. Yes, Mighty Health family. Awesome job today in this joint strengthening workout. So important to make the muscles and tendons and ligaments around our joints stronger. Let's finish this workout strong. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Excellent. Keep smiling. Give me 4 more. That's 4. And 3. And 2. And release. Reset your posture. Give me those exaggerated shoulder rolls. Good. 2 more. Exaggerate your shoulder rolls. 1 more time. Exaggerate. Good. Now go the other direction. Good. Excellent job, Mighty Health family. I hope that you felt all those exercises to strengthen the muscles around the joints. We're going to take that right foot forward, lift your toe off the floor, and then lean forward. Keep your back flat. Stretch the hamstring. And then slowly release. We're going to switch sides. Left foot, pull the toes towards your shin and lean forward. Smile and keep that back flat. Excellent. So nice and easy. You're going to come out of your chair. You're going to turn slightly. You're going to press that heel down to stretch the calf muscle. We work that. The knee, that front knee stays behind your toes. If you want to get a deeper stretch, bend that right knee just a little bit. Nice job, Mighty Health family. Let's stretch it over to the other side. So we're going to, nice and easy, switch sides. Left foot forward, right foot back. Draw that right heel down so you're stretching your calf. Your left knee stays behind your toes. Breathing, so bring your heart rate down if it got up. We're going to come back nice and easy, sit back in your chair. Thank you, Mighty Health family, for joining me today for that joint strengthening exercise program, strengthening all the muscles and the ligaments and the tendons around your joints to stay super mighty healthy.